So guys, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply an inner line permit to travel to Nagaland. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now and please watch it till the end and let me know what you feel about it. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Nagaland is a state in India, and just for the protection and conservation, government has introduced this process of applying an inner line permit if you want to go there as an outsider. Okay. So if you go, so this is the official page. If you click on document checklist, what are the documents you need? It is going to show you based on um, your category. Okay, like for domestic tourists, there are separate documents required. For foreign tourists, I mean non-Indian tourists, there are separate documents required. And if you're going there to work or other purpose, you have to like provide according to that. Okay. So here is the checklist, guys. For domestic tourists, guarantor not required. Applicant with passport photo, ID proof, Aadhaar card, voter ID, travel license, or any other government approved ID. For applicants from these, their NRC should be in English. For foreign tourists, photo, passport, both side, visa. For laborers, they need a guarantor. For traders, also they need a guarantor. For priests, no guarantor. For teachers, no guarantor. For students, no guarantor. Technical. So, like, I don't have to go through all of them, but just you need to see where you fall. Okay. Then you can click on apply ILP. The very first thing is to select under which category you fall. If you go for domestic, it needs to your OTP, I mean your phone number, mobile number to send OTP. But if you select foreign tourist, it's going to ask for email address where they can send OTP. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, we reached here after putting the OTP. So first is full name, first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, gender, identification mark, parents' name, religion, phone number, including country code, okay, permanent address, city, postal code, post office, wow, passport details, date of issue, date of expiry, visa number because we selected foreign national, special endorsement if there, permit details, purpose of visits, and you can state the purpose. So if you're going for tourism, I can say tourism. Now, which are the districts you want to visit? So 30 days, gonna give you validity. 300 rupees is the fee. Let's say you're gonna start on 28. Okay. Here you need to upload your photo, passport front, passport back, visa, local contact. Like if you have booked any through that travel agency or you're going to a hotel, wherever you can do that and submit. And once it is granted, you are all good to go. So that's how simple the process is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.